Hi, welcome to the Coffee Laboratory. I am Manson, authorized trainer of Specialty Coffee Association. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pour-over coffee, a method that has gained immense popularity among coffee enthusiasts. If you've ever wanted to brew cafe-quality coffee at home but felt intimidated by the process, this is the guide for you. We'll walk through everything, from choosing the right equipment to mastering the perfect pour. First, we'll discuss the essential tools you need for pour-over coffee, such as the dripper, filters, and kettle. We'll also talk about how to select high-quality coffee beans, including tips on grind size and freshness, which are crucial for achieving the best flavor. Next, we'll cover the brewing technique itself. You'll learn about the importance of water temperature and the ideal coffee-to-water ratio, as well as how to achieve an even extraction. I'll demonstrate the pouring technique step by step, showing you how to create a beautiful bloom and ensure each cup is smooth, flavorful, and balanced. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge and competence to make pour-over coffee like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned coffee lover or just starting your journey, this guide is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their home brewing experience. So grab your favorite mug, and let's get started on this delicious adventure in coffee. You won't want to miss it. First, why choose pour-over coffee? Well, it's all about control and flavor. Pour-over coffee stands out from automatic drip machines by offering you the ability to fine-tune every variable in the brewing process. This means you can adjust aspects like water temperature, grind size, and pour speed to showcase the unique flavors of your beans. Each type of coffee bean has its own distinct profile, and pour-over brewing allows you to extract those specific notes, whether they're floral, fruity, or earthy, resulting in a cup that truly reflects the essence of the coffee. Additionally, pour-over coffee is incredibly fresh. Since you brew one cup at a time, each serving is made to order. This method ensures that you enjoy a cleaner, brighter, and more aromatic cup compared to batch brewing, where coffee can lose its freshness and flavor over time. With pour-over, you can experience the full spectrum of aromas and flavors that freshly brewed coffee has to offer. Moreover, the process of making pour-over coffee can be a wonderfully meditative experience. It encourages you to slow down and engage with each step, making it perfect for those slow mornings when you want to savor your coffee. The rhythmic pouring and watching the coffee bloom create a sense of calm and focus, transforming your daily routine into a mindful ritual. In essence, pouring your coffee allows you to take pride in the brewing process, making each cup a personal creation. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or just beginning your journey, pour-over coffee offers an unparalleled experience that elevates your morning routine. So, if you're looking for a way to enhance your coffee experience, pour-over is definitely worth considering. Now, we're diving into the essential equipment you need for the perfect pour-over coffee. First, let's discuss pour-over drippers. A popular choice is the cone-shaped dripper, which is renowned for producing a cup with remarkable clarity and brightness. Its design promotes even extraction, allowing you to appreciate the unique flavors of your coffee beans. If you're looking for something more forgiving, a flat-bottom dripper simplifies the brewing process while still delivering excellent flavor. For those who enjoy a cleaner taste, drippers that use thicker filters can effectively filter out oils and sediments, resulting in a lighter cup that highlights the coffee's nuances. Next, let's talk about filters themselves. You'll encounter both bleached and unbleached options. Bleached filters tend to have less of a paper taste, which can lead to a cleaner flavor profile, while unbleached filters are more environmentally friendly. It's also crucial to match the filter size to your dripper to ensure proper extraction and flow. Now, let's move on to the gooseneck kettle, which is essential for precision pouring. This control is vital for achieving an even extraction, allowing the water to saturate the coffee grounds uniformly. You can choose between electric kettles, which often come with temperature control features, and stovetop kettles, which require you to monitor the temperature manually. In addition, having a scale and timer is important. Weighing your coffee and water ensures consistency, while a timer helps track the bloom phase and total brew time, both of which are critical for optimal extraction. Finally, don't forget about fresh coffee beans and grinders. A burr grinder provides a consistent grind size, and using whole beans that you grind fresh just before brewing enhances flavor and aroma. Pro tip: investing in a good grinder makes a huge difference. With this equipment, you'll be well on your way to brewing the perfect pour-over coffee. Next, not all coffee is created equal, especially when it comes to pour-over brewing, where the choice of beans is crucial for achieving that perfect cup. For pour-over, you want to select beans that truly shine with clarity and brightness. First, consider the roast level. Light to medium roasts are typically the best choice for highlighting fruity, floral, and complex flavors that make your coffee experience exciting. While dark roasts can certainly work, they often run the risk of tasting bitter if over-extracted, which can overshadow the delicate notes that lighter roasts offer. Next, let's discuss the origin and flavor notes of the beans. For instance, Ethiopian coffees are renowned for their bright, floral qualities and berry-like flavors, making them a delightful option for anyone seeking a vibrant cup. On the other hand, Colombian coffees are well loved for their balanced profiles that often include nutty and chocolatey undertones, providing a comforting and approachable flavor. If you prefer something clean and sweet, Costa Rican beans can deliver a citrusy brightness that adds a refreshing twist to your brew. Freshness is another key factor in selecting your coffee. Always check for roast dates and aim for beans that have been roasted within the last 2 to 4 weeks. This ensures that you're getting the best possible flavors. It's also essential to avoid pre-ground coffee, as grinding your beans right before brewing maximizes freshness and aroma, allowing the full spectrum of flavors to shine. With these tips in mind, you'll be well equipped to choose the right beans for your pour-over coffee. Now, let's get brewing! Let's dive into the step-by-step brewing guide for making the perfect pour-over coffee, beginning with Step 1, boil your water. The ideal temperature range is between 195 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, or 90 degrees Celsius to 96 degrees Celsius. If your water is too hot, it can lead to a bitter flavor, while water that's too cool may result in a weak cup. Once your water is ready, we move on to Step 2. Grind your coffee. Aim for a medium fine grind, which should resemble the texture of sea salt. The coffee-to-water ratio is crucial here. Typically, a 1:16 ratio works best. For example, if you're using 20 grams of coffee, you'll want to use 320 grams of water to achieve that perfect balance. Step 3 involves rinsing the filter and preheating the brewer. This step serves to remove any residual paper taste and warms the dripper, ensuring optimal extraction. Now we're at Step 4, add your coffee and let it bloom. Pour about 50 grams of hot water over the grounds and let them bloom for 30 seconds. This allows carbon dioxide to escape, which enhances the flavors. Moving on to Step 5, the pour. Use slow, spiral motions to pour your water. For the first pour, aim to reach 150 grams of water, then pause for 30 seconds. For the second pour, bring it up to 250 grams, wait a moment, and finally, for your last pour, reach 320 grams. Lastly, in Step 6, keep an eye on your total brew time, which should fall between 230 and 330 minutes. If it brews too quickly or slowly, you may need to adjust your grind size. That's the good stuff. Enjoy your beautifully brewed pour-over coffee. Let's talk about troubleshooting some common mistakes you might encounter while brewing your pour-over coffee, starting with the issue of bitterness. If your coffee tastes bitter, it could be a sign that your grind is too fine. In this case, try coarsening your grind to allow for a better extraction. Another possibility is that your water temperature is too high. If that's the case, simply lower the temperature of your water to fall within the optimal range. On the flip side, if your coffee tastes sour, this indicates a different problem. A grind that is too coarse may be causing under-extraction, so you'll want to go finer. Additionally, if you find your coffee is under-extracted, try pouring more slowly to ensure that the water fully interacts with the coffee grounds, allowing the flavors to develop properly. Another common issue is when your brew time is either too slow or too fast. If it's brewing too slowly, it could be because your grind is too fine, so adjusting the grind size to a coarser setting can help speed things up. Conversely, if your brew is happening too quickly, then a finer grind will help slow the process down and promote better extraction. Remember, coffee brewing is an art that often requires a bit of experimentation and adjustment. Each cup is an opportunity to learn and refine your technique. So, don't be discouraged by these little hiccups. Troubleshooting is part of the journey to becoming a great home barista. Practice makes perfect, so enjoy the process and don't stress about it. With each brew, you'll get closer to that ideal cup of coffee you dream of. Want a refreshing twist on your coffee experience? Let's make iced pour-over coffee. It's crisp, sweet, absolutely perfect for those hot days when you crave something cool and invigorating. The process is surprisingly simple and yields a delightful result. To start, you'll want to double the coffee dose. For example, use 30 grams of coffee paired with 200 grams of ice and another 200 grams of water. This method allows you to brew directly over ice in your carafe or cup, which means the melting ice will dilute your coffee just right, balancing the flavors beautifully. When it comes to the grind size, you'll want to adjust it slightly finer than what you'd typically use for hot pour-over coffee. This adjustment compensates for the dilution from the melting ice, ensuring that you still achieve a rich and flavorful brew. As you brew, aim for a total brew time of around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. This timing is key to extracting the perfect flavors without any bitterness. And just like that, you have a smooth, bright iced coffee that refreshes without overwhelming your taste buds. For an extra refreshing vibe, I highly recommend trying fruity Ethiopian beans, as they lend a delightful burst of flavor that complements the iced brew beautifully. Imagine sipping on this vibrant coffee as you soak up the sun, feeling the coolness wash over you. It's truly a treat. This iced pour-over method not only elevates your coffee game, but also provides a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite brew during the warm months. So grab your gear and let's get brewing that perfect iced pour-over coffee. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game to the next level, let's talk about some pro tips that can make a significant difference in your brew. First and foremost, consider the quality of your water. Using filtered water can greatly enhance the taste of your coffee, as it removes any impurities or unpleasant flavors that might otherwise interfere with the delicate notes of your beans. Clean, fresh water is the foundation of a great cup, so don't overlook this crucial detail. Another tip is to focus on agitation during the blooming phase. A gentle stir during this initial stage can help ensure even extraction, allowing all the flavors to develop harmoniously. This simple action can lead to a more balanced and vibrant cup, making a noticeable difference in your overall experience. And perhaps the most exciting part of brewing coffee is the opportunity to experiment. Don't hesitate to try out different coffee-to-water ratios, explore various types of beans, and play with your pouring styles. Each variable you adjust can yield a unique flavor profile, allowing you to discover new favorites and refine your personal taste. Whether you prefer a fruitier cup or something more robust, experimentation is key to finding what resonates with you. Remember, coffee brewing is as much an art as it is a science, and the only way to truly master it is through practice and exploration. So, take these tips to heart and embrace the journey of coffee making. Now, go enjoy your masterpiece. With each cup you brew, you're not just making coffee, you're creating an experience that reflects your passion and creativity. Happy brewing! And that's it. You're now like a pour-over coffee pro, equipped with all the knowledge you need to brew an exceptional cup right at home. I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in your coffee-making skills and inspired you to explore the wonderful world of pour-over brewing. Remember, every cup of coffee you make is an opportunity to experiment and grow as a coffee enthusiast. So, embrace the process, enjoy the little moments, And don't hesitate to share your own brewing experiences or discoveries with us. Cheers to you and your newfound skills, and happy brewing! May each cup you pour bring you joy and satisfaction as you savor the rich flavors and aromas that only a well-crafted pour-over coffee can offer. To support our channel, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the coffee moments. See you! If you're interested in coffee, consider joining the Coffee Skills program, which offers essential knowledge and practical skills for the industry. Beginners should start with the Introduction to Coffee course, designed to provide a foundational understanding of the coffee journey from bean to cup. This course is a great first step for those looking to pursue a career in coffee or enhance their appreciation of the beverage. Whether you aspire to be a barista, open a cafe, or simply enjoy coffee more deeply,